children. How are you? Hello, everybody. I think everybody is fine. So we can start now the video number 8, in which we will discuss about home neutralization reaction. Just see what is it? Neutralization. When solution of an acid reacts with the solution of a base, both of them neutralize each other and forms salt and water. This process is called neutralization reaction. Some heat is always evolved in a neutralization reactions, which raises the temperature of the reaction mixture. So what we have seen here in neutralization reaction, in this reaction acid reacts with the solution of a base and both of them neutralize with each other and forms salt and water. See the examples. Acid when react with base, it forms what? Salt and water. When hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide solution, it forms sodium chloride and water. Nitric acid, that is HNO3, react with sodium hydroxide, it forms what? Sodium nitrate and water. Now, neutralization we can find in our everyday life, in day-to-day life. What we can face? The bee sting. A bee sting is what? In acidic. It is acidic and may be neutralized by shock, which is an alkali. What is the shock? It is an alkali. A wasp sting is alkaline. A wasp sting is alkaline and may be neutralized with vinegar, which is a weak acid. Similarly, in case of ant bite, the sting of an ant contains an acid. What do we call it? Formic acid. When an ant bites, it injects. In case of ant bite, the sting of an ant contains an acid called formic acid, and when an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid into the skin. It can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda that we call sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine solution, which contains what? Zinc carbonate. Calamine solution contains what? Zinc carbonate, which can neutralize. In case of indigestion, we can find most of the time various people, they find the problems. So sometimes the stomach produces too much hydrochloric acid. Sometimes the stomach produces too much hydrochloric acid, that is called hyperacidity, which causes indigestion. The acid is neutralized by taking a tablet, antacid, such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide, and this magnesium hydroxide neutralizes the effect of excessive acid and the person can find the relief in them. Now in case of factory waste also we can find, even at Bokaro Steel City also we can find that a steel factory is there, electro steel is there. In case of Chandrapura, you can find the DVC are there. So in most of the places, what we can find that the factory waste can be released. So the waste of most of the factories are highly acidic. If such acidic waste are flushed into rivers or other water bodies, acid present in them will damage the aquatic organism and pollute the water. Thus, factory waste are treated with basic substances to neutralize the effect of acid present in them before being discharged into the water bodies. Otherwise it may harm the aquatic animals, like fish are there in a pond, we can find some plants are there, algae are there, and various small organisms, microorganisms are present in the water bodies, they can be killed through the same. Now we can talk about one more. You can find the many examples are there. Even in case of soil treatment, the soil also contains the acids in them that can be treated with the basic substances. For what purposes? To neutralize the effect of acid. Otherwise, the production of food grain will be what? Less, and the plant can be damaged. Now we can understand in the better way through one activity, neutralization reaction also. Now come to how can we understand the reaction of neutralization. To understand in the better way, we can perform one activity to study a neutralization reaction. For this, we have to take a clean test tube. Then fill it with 10 milliliter of dilute hydrochloric acid. Add 2 drops of litmus solution. Now note down the color. What is the color of it? This color is red. It is red. Now with the help of a dropper, slowly add dilute sodium hydroxide solution in the test tube. Then stir the solution in the test tube with a clean glass rod or shake the test tube carefully. Keep on adding sodium hydroxide drop by drop. Stir well after adding each drop. Then a stage will come. What will be observed? A stage will come when the color of the solution in test tube will turn blue. Just see here, in the first it was red color, then it becomes blue color. Now stop adding the alkali then. A neutralization reaction has taken place in the test tube. The acid giving a red color with litmus solution is neutralized by whom? Neutralized by the alkali, giving a blue color as soon as all the acid is neutralized. So here we have seen in case of neutralization reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid with litmus solution. Now some of the question based upon your video number 8, you have to do it. Question number 1, what is neutralization reaction? Explain the process of neutralization with the help of an activity. Question number 2, state the reasons related for each of the following. A. The sting of an ant is very painful. B. Wasp sting should be treated with vinegar and ant sting should be treated with baking soda. The next question, C. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. And D. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. So you will do these question answer based upon the same. When you are having any doubt during the online classes, we can discuss the same. Stay home, stay healthy, and try to do these question answer because in this COVID period we can interact with these method or online classes only. Okay, thank you.